Video on this Hundex knife. Very nice knife. I already opened it up and played with it a little bit, but this is the actual knife. Like, look at that. Beautiful. Oh, no. Oh, no. Just dropped it. But look at that beautiful knife. Good thing I didn't have it open. Didn't seem to damage it at all, which is nice. But you have kind of like a wood handle here. All right. Lord of the Rings symbolization on there. If we open it up, you got some symbols here. I'm sorry, you have a logo here. Very nice knife. Drop point, very sharp. Okay. You see it's got some oil on it. And then I will close it. It also comes with this neat kind of honing stick here. Kind of looks like a wand, which is really neat. It comes with a pouch. Put this in the pouch, which is really nice. Okay. This is like a leather pouch. You can see it even has the symbol on there. So someone that was a big fan of Lord of the Rings would probably really appreciate this. You can use this, even use this pouch with sheaths with other knives. And it comes with this as well, like a necklace. Lord of the Rings, really neat addition to the, basically kind of like, could be a good gift kit. This is the box it comes in. And again, let's just take a little bit closer look at the knife. You have some gold inlay there. Silver here, this blue wood handle. Just all around. It's a really pretty knife. It's got good weight to it. You have that logo there, which is really neat. Up here, I noticed they actually did some additional like etching or like cutting out of material just to add a little more detail. So it's a very detailed oriented knife. It's got a little inlay there of like gray wood with the gold outline. Inside it's gold. Yeah, just really nice. I mean, really cool. It's a real pretty knife. And I don't have a problem saying that. Very pretty knife. Very neat knife. Comes with the sheath, honing, and the necklace. To close it up, you push this down here. This is the lock. It closes up like that. Back in the box. Keep it safe. I probably shouldn't be handling it because I dropped it. There you go.